Hi neighbors, it is I, Jerry Ellen. Welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. And in today's video, I am joining an open collaboration with my friend Debbie at Debbie's Kitchen. Kick off the fall season with a fall video. And in today's video, I'm making this. It is gorgeous, delicious roasted butternut squash soup. The veggies that I am putting in my soup are carrot, celery, leek, onion. Okay? I have to chop, peel, wash, slice, dice, whatever. Okay? Okay, this here has to undo just the white part. This I will freeze for making a stock. And this has to be washed really, really well, because you will get sand in between. Now we are going to get the pot started. All right, let's heat up this pot. Drizzle a little bit of... We're going to start off with our onions. And some salt, some pepper. So turn that off and check on my butternut squash that I have roasting. It's smelling nice. I have the squash roasting in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. I poked holes in the squash with a sharp knife so that the steam can release from the squash and so that it won't explode all over my oven, okay? Neighbors, I had a few cameras set up trying to be all fancy-dancy with my recording, and the camera that was showing the footage of me taking the butternut squash out of the oven and talking away to a camera that's not recording. Anywho, I took it out of the oven. I let it cool a little bit till I can handle it. I sliced it in half. I scooped out all the seeds and the stringy bit that's around the... After I threw away the seed and the slimy kind of part that's around the seed, I threw that away, and I scooped out the inside of the butternut squash, and I chopped chopped it up into kind of, sort of some pieces that were similar sizes, okay? Okay, I want to add some garlic and some ginger. So I have some minced ginger, just like a half teaspoon of minced ginger. When you're roasting your butternut squash, you could roast some garlic. Actually, that would be nice, sweet and mellow. But I'm just going to do this. A couple of cloves of garlic. I'm just going to now a little bit of fresh nutmeg. That's a bit. Little dusting of it.
Chicken stock, if you want. I'm using vegetable stock. And I can't seem to open. Turn this up because I want it to come to a boil, and then I'll turn it down to a simmer. Or want it just to kind of submerge, barely cover.
One. I could maybe get away with just one of these boxes, but I doubt it. And I just want to cover these veggies because I want to puree it, and I don't want it to be too soupy. So that was probably like another cup worth, maybe. So 4 to 5 cups of stock in there. Okay, so once this comes to a boil, I'm going to turn it down to a low simmer. I'm going to cover it, and occasionally I'll have a peek at it and give it a little stir. Make sure it's not getting dry or anything. Okay, a tip. Instead of going by how long do I cook this for, because everybody's going to chop their vegetables differently. You want to be able to take the back of a spoon or a spatula, your wooden spoon, what have you, like really smush up easily, because we do want to puree this, right? And you want a nice smooth soup. So you want to be able to like really break those vegetables and smush those vegetables with the back of a spoon, okay? Oh, so smooth. So good.
A little bit of chives. If I had some nice Parmesan, I'll do that.
I've been taking the taste for you and it wasn't recording. Anyway, so good. So hot. It was so tasty. You won't be sorry. You don't need to add cream to this. It's creamy enough. Please like, share, and subscribe, people. Take care. Keep good heart and God bless.